Now we're going to work through this same example using the LIFO inventory costing system, LIFO, LIFO, and that means last in, first out. So last in, first out means that whatever was last to come in the door is the first to go out the door, and that means that you're going to always sell your most recent products first. So here you see September 1st, we have inventory 115 units at 255 for total inventory cost, beginning inventory of $29,325. Then on the 10th, we sell 100 units. We sell 100 units that cost us $255 for a total cost of, let's multiply that out, $25,500. If we had 115, we sell 100. How many do we have left? 15. I have 15 $255 units. We'll multiply that out to get our ending inventory at the end of that day on the 10th, 3,825. Now, if we were to look up at our FIFO chart, nothing has changed. The first 2 days are exactly the same. So then we're going to go to day 3, which is September 18th, okay? So on September 18th, we purchase more inventory. We purchase 110 units at $260 for a total cost of $28,600. At this point, right here, we have 2 layers of inventory. We have first layer, which is the older layer, and second layer, which is the inventory that just came in the door, is our second layer of inventory. So we have 15 units that cost us $255 for 3,825. And now we just purchased 110 units that cost $260. And we'll multiply that out for 28,600. Now we have 2 layers of inventory. So when we work on our September 27th transaction, which was a sale, then it's going to matter. We're going to have to look at last in, first out. Okay, so the date is the 27th, and we are actually going to sell 105 units. But the question is, which units do I sell first? Last in, first out means the last one in the door. This second layer of inventory is going to be sold first. Do I have 105 of those units? Yes, I do. So I'm going to sell 105 units that cost me $260. So notice that with LIFO, I'm selling the most recent purchase first. I'm selling the more expensive items first. That's going to leave me with the less expensive items and the older items in ending inventory. Okay, so here I'm going to sell 105 units at a cost of $260 because my most recent purchase was $260 for a total cost of 105 times $260. 27,300. And now I get to figure out what is left. So out of my first layer of inventory, I still have 15 units that cost me $255. And out of my second layer of inventory, I have 5 of those left that cost me $260. And then I'll multiply those out to get my ending inventory on that day. So cost of goods sold for the month. Nope, cost of goods sold for the month is, I'm going to add all this up here. Oops, there. And then my ending inventory for the month. Ending inventory for the month, I actually end up with 20 units, and the cost is right here is ending inventory. Let's see if I can make that bolder there. Okay, that's my ending inventory. And notice here I have 20 units at $5,125. Cost of goods sold, I actually sold 205 units for a total cost of $52,800. Okay, so let me put that box that in. Next, I'm going to record an inventory costing system for the weighted average method, and that will be on our next video.